medicine.
But you're not sick.
Yeah, I'm sick.
You're sick?
Yeah.
When did you get sick? You just got sick?
Yeah.
You don't seem sick.
Yeah, I'm sick.
What's wrong? Does your head hurt?
No.
Does your belly hurt?
No.
Does your throat hurt?
No.
Then I don't think you're sick.
My mouth's sick.
Your mouth is sick?
Yeah. I want medicine.
Do you have a cough or anything?
I want medicine.
You don't have a cough.
I'm coughing.
Oh my goodness. Are you sick?
Yeah.
You have a cough?
Yeah.
Oh no. Are you okay?
I'm sick.
Are you okay?
I'm coughing again.
Oh my goodness. I don't want you to cough. It doesn't sound like a real cough to me though.
Mommy, I
Kind
don't want medicine.
You can't have medicine if you're not sick.
Yeah, I'm sick. I'm sick.
Do you just like the watermelon medicine? You just like the taste of it.
No.
I can't give you medicine, buddy, if you're not sick, and I know you're not sick.
Yeah, I'm sick. I'm sick.
I think if you're sick, then you can't put your arms up in the air. So you're not sick. You can put your arms in the air. You're not sick.
Yes, I'm sick. Yeah, I'm sick. I have a cough. I have a cough. I have a cough. I have a cough.
Are you okay?
I need medicine. I need medicine.
I think that's a fake cough. You're faking it.
Medicine. I'm just kidding.
You stinker.
I'm sick.
You're a stinker.
A,
I knew you weren't sick.
B, C.